morning, Tom. Clay Rivenbark out here with Tameron Honda. Just wanted to thank you for your internet inquiry. I wanted to show you that 2018 Honda Pilot Elite that you saw online. This is that exact vehicle. It's in that modern steel metallic, very popular color. It's got a great set of wheels. Now these wheels are exclusive to the touring trim. That one-touch entry makes this vehicle very easy to get in and out of. You're not worrying about where your keys are. You've got a perforated leather interior with heated and cooled seats. Navigation, as you can see there, a really nice 8-inch touchscreen display. Tri-zone climate control, and actually this is not just a DVD player, but also a Blu-ray. With this, it is all-wheel drive, so you'll have your intelligent drive control, intelligent traction control controls here, along with your push-button transmission. This vehicle is also going to be equipped here on the steering wheel, as you can see, with the full sensing package. So you'll have your side blind zone monitor, your forward collision mitigation system, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and a whole lot more. You'll also have this really nice sunroof and second row skylight. Huge. It really opens up the captain's chairs back here in this vehicle. Now these seats here are also outboard heated seats with their own climate controls right here on the console. There's also a household power. Take a look here. There's also this great household power outlet back here, so you can connect all your devices. The previous owner did install these all-weather floor mats for the first, second, and third row, so you can protect this thing from all the crumbs and cookies and crackers and Cheetos and Cheerios that could possibly get crunched into the carpet. That's what it's there for. Back here in the back seat, got these awesome sunscreens that go up over these windows. Keep that hot Alabama sun out of your face. So what I need you to do is give me a call or shoot me a text. I just tried to call you a second ago. My number is 256-600-6525, or feel free to reply to this email. Keep in mind, this vehicle is certified pre-owned from Honda, and it's going to come with a ton of warranties. It's been thoroughly inspected at 182 points, and I'd love to tell you all about it. So give me a call, shoot me a text, or just reply to this email. Again, Tom, my name's Clay Rivenbark out here at Tameron Honda, and I can promise you this. When you come to do business at Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.